What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Carolina Custom Classics. Today we're on the 1980 Camaro. We had some problems with it. It ran hot due to the belt popping, so we got new belts on and put them on yesterday, so we're good there. I think we have an alignment issue here, is why we keep popping belts, but we definitely got to figure out why we're popping belts, because we can't have this engine heating up like it is. So anyways, got a new radiator over here sitting on 57. We're going to go ahead and start whipping out the old radiator, start putting in this new bad boy, and I'm hoping this new aluminum radiator will help wake it up and cool it down a lot, and hopefully we won't have no more problems. So anyways, stay tuned. So the first step we're going to do is start removing this fan shroud, and we're going to go ahead and start taking off the radiator hoses, getting all the water drained out of it, and then we're going to take off these 3 bolts on the top and start removing the radiator. Got the old radiator out, got the transmission lines off, everything's good to go. Now we just got to put in the new one. Alright, so I'm going ahead and putting in the shroud. I just wanted to show you how to put one in. Alright, so we're going to demonstrate on this junk radiator now. But as you can see, you have these fins that go in between these lines. These fins is what you would want to go in, so you just take your screwdriver, push in, and turn, and you can open it up just a little bit. Only water passes through these. So as long as you stay in these fins, you're good to go. That's all it is to it. There you have it. She is in, fan shroud is in, the belts is on. So Now we're just going to fill her up with water, crank it up, and see if we can have any leaks or make sure she runs at the right temperature and go from there. Alright, so we filled it up with water. Now we're going to crank it up. Hopefully it cranks up easy. I worked on the carburetor a little bit last night. Got it cranking up a little bit easier last night, so hopefully it still cranks up good today. Come on. Alternator squealing because the battery is so dead. Stop here in a second. Usually put them down in gear, they'll stop. Anyways, we're gonna let it run and warm up. See how she does. Alright, what I'm doing now is I got the cap off. That way we let all the air bubbles out so it don't vapor lock or anything like that. Alright, thermostat just opened up. Now we're going to top it off with water. Alright, got her topped off. Now I'm just going to take it down the road, drive it around a couple blocks, see how she does, make sure she doesn't overheat. I'd like to find the problem now while I feel like working on it than on the side of the road. There we go. As for my look, the fan shroud is about 1 inch too high. I'm going to have to move it down to about right here. So, as you can see, when I tried to shut the hood, we're resting on the shroud, so that ain't going to work. Damn it. At least it ain't running hot. What's going on, y'all? Day 2. Getting late, but I moved the shroud down about 1.5 inches. She closes good. Topped it back off with water. Push that down. Closes good now, so we're just gonna put the hood pins in, take it down the road for a quick little spin, see how she does. Make sure she doesn't run hot. Alright, y'all. Apologize about it being kind of dark, but here we go. Car coming. YouTube family. Y'all really do mean the world to me, and the positive comments, you know, and the likes really mean a lot to me. And it keeps me motivated to keep making videos and saving more old cars, saying that how everybody else likes them, how I save them and stuff. And I definitely couldn't do it without y'all. Nobody hunts. They just been breeding up for years and years. Yeah. New radiator done the trick. She's running, driving great. I will show you the temperature, but it's so dark in here, I doubt y'all can see it anyways. But it says we're running about 185. 190, I can't really tell, but either way, that's good. Well, we almost back home, or I'm almost back home. I don't know where y'all at. Hopefully at home watching my videos and not watching while you're driving or anything. But anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more cool cars come back to life. If you want to see more of the 80 Camaro, just let me know. Alright, take care, y'all.